MBOKAZI as a midfielder. He's going to have a goal! MBOKAZI scores a blinder! He has scored a cracker before for Orlando Pirates. That one was a little bit further back. But this one, MBEKEZELI MBOKAZI stayed there, knew the ball would be recycled, shifted it, and decided, have some of that. Mshishi to MBOKAZI. 1-1. Just like it was in Durban, and you are not stopping that. That is Chicago fire. And Bafana, brilliance from Thuthuzela Scott.
Defensive end, it's what he does on the offensive end. And a smashing strike. Oh, look, just on the knees and prayers unanswered. Contender for goal of the season. Shrugs off the challenge. Smashing strike.